Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE, General Electric. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very, very eventful day in this one, not only from the price action perspective, but volume remains extremely heavy. But the biggest thing that happened today was, and to set up a little bit of context, going into the weekend, things were looking shaky. Now, I'm not saying that the chart had collapsed or anything like that, but it's very straightforward here. There was some downwards pressure that had very clearly showed up. So going into the day, it was a logical question to be wondering, is this, the start of something much bigger? But no, pretty much that downwards momentum right there got punched in the face today as the bulls gapped up, and we're pretty much just letting everybody know, no, bulls are still in charge here, and then from there, everything else was history. So a very nice turnaround within the context of, how the price had closed out from Friday, but some new levels definitely need to be mapped out. One of the newest levels of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above $8.30. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $8.30, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, very straightforward. This level here, once again, has been presenting a problem, and that level sits right up there at 855. So 855, like I said, rejected the price back on Friday, and then today, once again, in the afternoon right there, rejected the price. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, very nice recovery from Friday's afternoon action. So let's see how this week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.